guys, it's Janja from Xpressions. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited about this. So, first, a couple disclaimers. One, husband's working from home today, so he might hear music playing. He's pretty loud. I don't know if you can hear that. Secondly, I just came back from a dentist appointment, so the left part of my mouth is numb. So I can feel like I don't talk so good right now. So if I sound a little bit different, it's because I'm numb. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I can't form words so good right now. Yeah, I just feel weird. So anyways, this was completely unexpected, this unboxing. I wasn't thinking of doing an unboxing. I was just going to open this, possibly on Instagram, and thank the person who made this possible. But because I got this whole package and I kind of took a little peek already, I just thought, I decided that it would be very fitting to at least do a quick unboxing to honor the fact that this person gifted me this charm, because it was very sweet of her and completely unnecessary. But I just thought it was amazing. So her username on Instagram is Keanasmustard, I believe. I hope I'm saying that right. Keanasmustard, that's her handle or her username. I posted a couple of weeks ago that I was looking for the Notre Dame charm from Pandora. It's the last charm that I need for my European travel bracelet. And she very graciously said that she would gift it to me. And I was insisting that, nope, let me pay for it. I don't mind. This is the Pandora. Oh, it's a mess back there. It's the original Pandora box and a note or a letter or a card. So she very graciously said, I'll make it a gift. I was like, no. I have no problem paying for it. She insisted, and I didn't want to be offensive either. So I let her, but on the condition that I pay for shipping, because that was the least that I can do. So I wasn't expecting all of this. Oh my gosh. So we'll take this away since it's the receipt. Gosh, a receipt from a store in Australia. That's amazing. This is cool. Alright, I'm going to save this because, you know, it's the receipt. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Yeah, I just thought it was going to be like a little package, a little box. I didn't expect all of this. So again, the least I could do was to unbox this and make it a whole thing. Oh my gosh. So let's start with this card first. This is too cute. This is Jeffrey. Who's Jeffrey? This is Jeffrey. That's too cute. Oh, wow. Okay, oh, it's a photograph, I think. So let's see. The photo is of a wombat, a native Australian animal. Right there. The wombat. So it's Jeffrey the wombat. To Jandra, please accept this charm as a thank you for your YouTube content. Oh, I am glad I could help you complete your bracelet, and I can't wait to see it finished. Oh my god. I have included a couple of other small mementos from Australia. I hope you like them. Take care and kind regards. Jackie at Keanasmustard. Oh my god. This makes me so happy. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. Wow. Wow, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, this is so cool. I love collecting magnets. Australia, I love AUS, Sydney. This is so cool. I have actually, maybe I'll show you guys. It's not a very nice, but we have a second fridge in the garage, and we like to travel a lot. Obviously, when we do, we would buy a magnet and stick it on the fridge. So I have one side of the fridge of places where we've been, and another side of the fridge of places we'd like to go. So I have, plus obviously when we've done the gift swaps here on YouTube, you know, like from Elizabeth, I got one from Sweden, I got one from Ilona from Amsterdam, I think she bought me one from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. I don't know if that's the right country, I think it is. Anyways, so it's really cool. Now I have one from Sydney, Australia. That's amazing. I love it. It's really nice too. It's like 3D. I'm gonna go ahead and open this now because I want to take a closer look. So it's like a postage stamp. That is so cool. Yeah, it's like a little bit 3D-ish. I love it. Thank you so much. This is going to go on that fridge. And maybe later on, if I don't forget, it's kind of dirty back because it's the garage, but I'll show you guys. This is so cool. Alright, and this looks like... Ooh. Looks like food, so that's going to make me happy. Oh my god. Dairy Milk Caramello Koala. Oh man, Cadbury. Nice. I'm starving right now too. It's in the morning, so I haven't had breakfast. I'm not gonna have chocolate for breakfast, but I could. Wow, you hooked it up, girl. Look at that. I have 4 of these. This is amazing, and they're not even melted. Like, they survived. Isn't that insane? I thought, because it's been so hot today. I mean, not today. It's been so hot lately. It's been in the upper 100 degrees up down here in Sacramento. But, you know, these are like, they're fine. They're intact. They didn't melt. It's amazing. Thank you so much. I can't wait to share with my husband. And if they're good, I want to hide them because he will take them all. Oh, and last but not least, we have the piece that we've been waiting for. Oh, what's this? Oh, she packaged it too. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, here it is. Here it is, a new baby. Oh, I'm so happy. Focus. Why aren't you focusing? There you are. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. Look at this gorgeous charm. Oh, this makes me so happy. Let's see. Oh wow. Ooh, it's a little hefty too. It's a heavy charm. Nice. Good job, Pandora. It's heavy. It's not flimsy like their other crap. Oh yeah, there's weight to this. I like it. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Gorgeous. So beautiful. Get that little heart there. The little heart. The stamps, of course. And Pandora on the back with the, I wouldn't say original logo, but more the classic logo versus the new one. Not really loving the new logo. I love this one better. Oh my gosh, this is such an amazing charm. Thank you so much, Kiana. I really, really, really love it. I mean, it's done. It's done. My bracelet is done. It's complete now. I can take... All I need is a safety chain. But I'll get that eventually, the safety chain. And once I get that, it's officially done. But officially it's done now with this last charm. So I am so happy and blessed that I was able to visit the cathedral the year before it burnt down. I'm pretty sure it was 2018. And then I think 2019 it burned. Yeah, and then 2020 came and, you know. Thank you so much, honey. I am so humbled and grateful for people like you. You wouldn't even know me. And the fact that you spent your hard-earned money on someone you don't even know just makes me feel so happy. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it so very much. This will mean so much more for me because it came from you. And not only will I recall the trip we went to with my family, but it'll remind me of the kindness of strangers. You know what I mean? So thank you once again so much for this beautiful gift. I really do appreciate it. It's going to go on my bracelet ASAP. And maybe I'll do an updated bracelet on YouTube. I think I featured it a couple of years ago. I don't remember anymore. But I will... oh, sorry, my hand went away. I will go ahead and add this. And maybe I'll show it on YouTube as a completed project. So super happy. Thank you so much. Hopefully I can reciprocate somehow for you. Maybe I can send you something. I think your address is back here, which I'm keeping private, obviously. So I have the box over there. But maybe I can send you something. I don't know, maybe just a thank you. And I also haven't forgotten about, and I don't want to butcher her name, but remember Queen Bee, you guys? Remember Queen Bee on Instagram? She's not on Instagram anymore. But I still owe her. She we traded. We were supposed to trade and I just fell off it. I just didn't do it. But we were supposed to, she gave me her first Pandora jewelry box. and I lost track of her because she dropped off of Facebook, and no, not Facebook, I'm sorry, Instagram. And then I talked about the jewelry box on YouTube, and she happened to watch the video, and she reached out to me on Facebook, and we haven't really talked since then. We kind of conversed a little bit, but we haven't really spoken since then, just because, you know, life happens, and it's just, oh, I'm still zoomed out, that's why, there we go. What was I saying? Yes, we haven't really spoken, but I still owe her a trade. So I haven't forgotten. One of those things I just haven't gone around to because I'm a bad person. So so I'm gonna try to get to it too. But maybe in the future, Kiana, I can send you something, or I don't know, something just to show my I was gonna say gratuity. That's not the word for it. My gratefulness. I can't think of a word. Thankful is what I'm trying to say. I'm so thankful. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my words, guys, as I get older. So anyways, I'm gonna have breakfast, some late breakfast, because I had that super dense appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat something, and then I'm gonna snack on these, and then I'm gonna play with my bracelet probably, because this made my day. So thank you again, Kiana. I really, really, really appreciate it. I know you say your name is Jackie, so I don't, for Jacqueline, I don't know if I should call you Kiana or Jacqueline or Jackie, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I will always hold you in a special place in my heart for this gift that you gave to me, or made to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today. I hope this was a nice little video. I will come back with part 2 of my ring video. I will probably put this as a June video because it's June, but I will again backdate that video back in March so I can refer to it. But until then, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you, oh man, real fast. Okay, so this is our garage, and I'm looking down because I just realized that we're selling these right here, whatever this is, like bookcases or shelves, and they're kind of in the way of the fridge. So let me just go this way. Okay, how do I do this? All right, so okay, so these are the ones that we have here. These are just funny magnets. So these are from Germany. My husband's aunt and uncle were stationed, no, I think his cousin was stationed there. So his parents, i.e. my husband's uncle and aunt, came back with these little Germany keychains, magnets. So they're super cute. And then we have this one from Sweden, from Fierce. And then we have this one. My parents went to London a couple of times already, and I have not been able to go. They bought the Stonehenge. And then this one, oh, it's Holland. Okay, I'm not sure why I thought Amsterdam, but Holland, from Ilona. And now I get to stick this one from Sydney, Australia here. That makes me happy. And let's see, I'm just going to come down here real fast. I got my slippers on real quick. And these are the places that we've been, so hopefully the reflection isn't that bad. So here we have, is that Maui, Grand Canyon, was it Haleakala National Park in Oahu, I think, Barcelona. I have 2 from Barcelona just because, there we go. We got the flamenco dancer, and then the cathedral down here, and then we have another flamenco dancer here. We have Paris, of course, Madrid. We were in Malaga for literally half an hour, but it counted. We have some from Grenada. Seville should actually go on the other side because for my parents, they bought us this one. So we were in Grenada and they were in Seville. So that's why. So technically this should go on the other side of the fridge because we were never there. Another Barcelona magnet, and another one. Oh no, that's the San Miguel de Allende cathedral in Guanajuato, and that's also from Guanajuato. And then Vegas, and then I think these are from Guadalajara, little charro hats, and more San Miguel de Allende. And that one is just, we got this at a flea market. That's just cute. What else? I think that's it. We have one from Hawaii, but it has a picture frame. I don't feel like putting my picture up on YouTube, so we're not gonna put that there. So just wanted to show you guys, share my little magnet collection. We've been to other places like Sedona and stuff, but I didn't start collecting magnets until later on. So I kind of regret it. So I actually kind of made a list of places I've been so I can kind of buy them on eBay, like New York. We've been to New York as well, Colorado. We've been to tons of places, but I just didn't start making it a thing to collect magnets from the places that we've been. So, in fact, there's a mess. I'm not going to show you that big garage mess. Anyways, not the greatest thing because it's, you can see the reflections. And if I do it this way, ooh, picture. You kind of just see. So yeah, I think I'm going to try to backtrack on my collection and start adding the ones, like I said, New York, Sedona, Arizona, Colorado, everywhere we've been, Texas, etc., etc. All right, so now I'll say goodbye. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.